Mommy told me to come and save you.
Good job. I'm saved. I wish you would come in here to ask me something else. Anything else. Honestly, happy to see you guys. It was. Oh, look, the table's set for 6.
Tony.
Get it. And I'm happy for you. I really am. But this is a second chance. I got my second chance right here, Cap. Can't roll the dice on it. Shit.
Shit.
You doing up, miss?
Shit.
Nope, we don't say that. Only mommy says that word.
I love you, Big Pelican.
I love you 3000.